In this lesson, we will see together les conjonctions de subordination, but more precisely, we will see ou que. So let's start from the beginning with the question, what is une conjonction de subordination? A conjunction of subordination is a type of conjunction that connects two clauses or sentences in a way that shows a dependent relationship between them. This is really, really important, this concept of dependent relationship between them. So these conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses which cannot stand alone as complete sentences. So this is the second important thing. These clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences. And they rely on the main clause to make sense. The subordinate clauses typically provide additional information, context, or details to the main clause. So, this lesson is about ou que. The conjunction ou que can be translated into English as wherever, no matter where, anywhere, regardless of where, or in whatever place. So we will see some examples with ou que. Où que tu ailles, je te suivrai. Où que tu ailles, je te suivrai. Où que nous soyons, nous resterons unis. Où que nous soyons, nous resterons unis. Où que tu poses ton regard, la beauté est présente. Où que tu poses ton regard, la beauté est présente. Où que tu te trouves, n'oublie pas que je t'aime. Où que tu te trouves, n'oublie pas que je t'aime.